What are you doing?
On Facebook Live in this. So everybody can see what the neighborhood looks like. All this is going to refreeze. I mean, don't get in that. Stay on the road part.
That's what I'm doing. Piece of snow in my shoe.
Stay on the road part. We got to be careful.
See, this is why you have to be careful out here.
Mama's watching. Hey, Mama. Okay, all right. Now the hills is what we're going to have problems with.
I've been up and down this street. So we went to the me and Rudy and then went down there and played with Sarah and Jay. Sounds like a boat.
Oh, four-wheeler.
I can't help the foot down there.
See this, honey? All this is going to refreeze. And all this right here, no. I'm not even going to attempt to go to work.
Well, you don't even know what Greer looks like.
I don't neither, but but I'm not in Greer. I'm not worried about Greer. I'm out here in Spartanburg. I'm out here in Spartanburg. I'm not.
I'm just in snowshoes.
Yeah, that would be nice though, but snowshoes can get expensive. See, they're out here playing in it. Don't worry about your shoes. Just kind of be careful and everything. That's what we're going to try to avoid. This is good exercise. Then when I get back home, when we get back home, we're not going nowhere. Right. What's up, guys? Y'all okay?
Yeah. I came in a little too hot.
You gotta be careful. Y'all fellas need to be careful out here.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling y'all this right here, right now. It's gonna get bad later. Y'all know school was canceled for Spartanburg and Greenville County. Y'all be careful out here. See if you stay on the road, you won't slip and fall. Now you get over there, yeah. So I don't have any. Well, I'm just giving them advice to be careful. Ooh.
It's going in my shoe.
You'll be alright. It's going in my shoe too, so how do you think I feel? Mine are thin. I don't have thick socks on. I got ankle socks on.
Me too. This part you gotta be careful.
Sound like somebody lost power. Cause I hear a generator.
Them.
Yeah, they say the power off. Ooh, okay. Okay. But still, this is
You guys stay with me?
gonna have to try to keep up. Just be careful going down this hill.
You gotta be careful on the turns.
Oh yeah.
Oh. There's like a piece of ice got stuck to my shoe.
That's what I'm saying though. We're gonna stay in the middle of the road. If a car comes, we can hear it. That's why I don't have headphones on. This ain't so bad through here, but still, I just don't want to tempt the fate.
Too many people Well, their cars like you, that's fine.
Well, all this is gonna refreeze.
Turning to black ice. It's already melting some.
Yep. And I ain't gonna tempt the fate. I already told. Come on, Sid.
They can check it off the field. I put ice in my bottom of my shoe.
Well, we're gonna be okay.
Man. I'm already slipping.
We're about to hit road,
Wait,
so we gotta be careful.
I got a hold in my hand down here.
Just hang on to me.
Still down.
We are. Just hang on to me. Okay, now I got some traction right here. I got some traction. Just kind of slide your shoes a little bit. Don't get over there.
I'm trying not to. I was just sliding it. I got to work.
Well, I just want them fellas to be careful. I don't want them to get hurt.
My hands
Oh, we are, honey. Don't worry.
what she said.
She said be careful. We are. Coming out of the driveway,
Whoa.
just come over here in the middle 1 minute. Because I got some traction over here.
You might want to hold on to me.
Well, grab my jacket.
My hand. Whoa.
This is what. So this is my.
No,
That's why we're taking it easy.
I need help too. I keep slipping in these shoes.
Well,
Bad. You have to hold on.
well, hang on to me.
I'm trying to. I don't want to slip.
Oh,
What? They ain't freezing.
well, the temperature. I don't know. Ground temperature. It's like in Alaska though. The ground temperature needs to be a certain temperature, I think. Man, like I said, just hang on to me. We're gonna be okay. I've walked like this many a times. It's good exercise. Just put your hood over.
It's already starting to freeze up again.
Yep. See this thing here, honey? This is gonna be black ice in the morning. So no. This is gonna be black ice through here. All this is gonna be refreezing. And it's supposed to be up in 40s, I think, tomorrow. So
In the morning, it's supposed to be up to 42.
I got some traction right here.
I'm slipping already. Oh, careful.
It's a slush. Everything's gonna be just fine.
No, my foot slips every time I walk. No, yeah.
See? So this is what I'm deeply concerned with right in here. This is what I was deeply concerned with in here. All this freezing up in the morning. No. Going up that hill though. Kind of took it out of me a little bit. Oh, not so bad. Let me tell you.
There you go.
Yeah. Mama must have logged off.
Who's all watching?
Nobody right now. But that's okay.
Something smells good.
Huh?
Something smells good. It sounds like they're doing a fire.
You can burn any type of wood that you want. But now for cooking, you do not want to use pine. You can use that. You do not want to use pine.
I've never walked before.
Well, you don't want to do it by yourself. Don't do it without Mama or me or Nana. I'm telling you, you tempt this fate walking up here by yourself, and get you.
My face is freezing.
Mine is too, but if you keep moving around, if you keep moving, you'll
Heard
be.
that it's cold yet, so that's good. Especially this part right here.
Yeah. See, we got to deal with hills.
The hard part is only going down the hill.
We'll have to take it easy because we'll have some bags. We'll just have to take it easy. Okay? We'll just have.
Feel it. Feel my face.
I can't really. I won't be able to feel you though because I'm having to switch hands. Hey,
This part's fine right here. I'm good with it. It's just going up to here.
well, you should be okay.
Anybody on it yet?
No, Mama.
She's on there again.
No. I let Mama. Mama can go back over. What is this? That's what I want to know. What is this? What? Somebody had an accident.
I into a tree or something.
About to find out what it is. It's a piece of a car. What that is, that's a piece of a car.
That's the front part.
Yep. Somebody lost it somehow.
Dying.
I believe that's the splash guard. Is probably what that is. What that is though, it keeps the moisture off the motor. All cars got them now. Now we got some good traction right in here. There's a little bird right there.
Where?
He just flew off the line. See, there he goes.
Oh, yeah.
Remember one time, my best friend Logan, love this guy to death. I do. I'll love him to death.
Somebody else got over or something.
No, ain't nobody on there, but that's okay. They can go back and watch it. Check it out. That's cool.
That's a huge Christmas tree.
No, I ain't talking about the tree. Look at the snowman.
One eye. What the heck? It's like this.
Well, it's melting. All right. Well, anyways,
There's one without a head.
come on. Let's keep going because I want to try to get back there
Look at it. Look.
before it gets
Freezing.
bad. Yeah. But like I said, it was about to start icing and snowing one year, and my friend Logan was out of stuff, and he didn't want driving in these type of conditions. So I went to the store. Fell and busted my butt a couple times, but I went for him. Went
I
on
need
foot.
better shoes to go walking in. So.
Maybe Santa will bring you a pair.
It's not even winter yet. Winter's like almost a week and a half away. It's on this side. Right, it's on this side.
They can go around. I'm not getting over and slipping upon, busting my butt. They can get over. I ain't slipping and falling, busting my butt. See, they can get over. Yeah, we do. Now I'm gonna get out here on Southport Road, see what it looks like. But Jessica's got hills in the neighborhood. And even though if I was trying to go tomorrow, no, I told Mel. Well, when you're building a house,
No, that's the one that was been
I know.
at the bottom.
I know. Right now you're good.
Oh God,
What?
I can already see it.
Well, I can't really see.
It's totally nice.
Yep, Southport Road
Well,
is not good. He had to come off of it. I wouldn't attempt what they doing going up that hill. You're fine. Alright, good. See, check it out. Peak Hill. It's got the word ass in it. Oh, foot a little slippery right there. Please don't push me.
I'm trying not to. I'm holding on. God.
I was just turning around.
I can't feel my lips more easily. Can you?
I'm okay for now. Now when we got bags, we're gonna have to balance ourselves, okay?
That's gonna be hard for me.
You gotta balance yourself.
What are we getting?
Some drinks.
The stuff that people's up.
Well, not really a whole lot. See, honey, Southport Road is not in good shape.